Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to download Tinder on your Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss out for our videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First, as we all know, Tinder is a dating application that is quite popular among us. For that, let's download Tinder easily for it. Okay, let's go to the Play Store application. Tap on the Play Store, and after that, you can see in the upper has the blank one. You cannot type about the Tinder, and after you type about the Tinder, you can go to search button. It depends on your cell phone. Okay, tap on. And after that, it's very easily to you cannot tap on the install it. Let us have a two option for you. The first one, no over any network. The second one, when Wi-Fi is available. So now I don't use the Wi-Fi connection, so I tap the first one, now over any networks. And after that, you can go to click OK and wait for a moment. The Tinder was downloading for your cell phone. Okay, wait. Okay, let's check for the home. The Tinder was to install it or not. Okay, now the Tinder is installed for you for your cell phone. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to install Tinder on cell phone for Android. Hopefully you enjoy with this application and find your mate. I think it's enough for it. Thank you for the attention and bye.